ATOTO introduces the latest 10-inch touchscreen head unit. The display can be fully adjusted in elevation and angle at the time of installation, to match a wide variety of vehicle dashboards. The latest QLED touchscreen is super responsive, and provides excellent brightness and vivid picture quality, which works perfectly even under sunlight directly. ATOTO head unit is based on Android system, and features Apple Carplay compatibility.
Hi Siri. Call Fanny Z.
Calling Fanny Z. Home.
WhatsApp reads new messages for you, and lets you dictate and send your own messages.
Hey Fanny, cannot wait to see you, meet in our regular place.
Google and Waze Maps help you navigate and get live traffic information. If you are a Spotify user, you can simply browse among millions of songs, create your playlist and operate with ATOTO gesture control. ATOTO head units equipped with gesture control enable functions to be operated simply by moving your hands.
I wonder if I'm being real. Do I speak my truth or do I filter how?
Since every car has a unique acoustic environment, and everyone has an individual taste for music, ATOTO Equalizer allows you to tailor your system for the best performance in your application. Here are also database interfaces available that allow you to display engine diagnostic info, tire pressure, and more. ATOTO USB Dash Camera provides full 1080 wide-angle image, which works perfectly even in a low-light environment. The recording automatically connects to the head unit for easy review. ATOTO features simulated panoramic view with a single camera. No matter how challenging the condition is, you can park like a pro. This camera can even help you see the rear road condition while driving. Just like using your smartphone, you can access to your favorite apps in a convenient and safe way while driving. ATOTO, different, better, reliable.